Hello friends, welcome to Block Bytes. I will share a few interesting DePIN projects I recently encountered in this video. This will not be a deep dive video. The idea is to give solid examples of the adoption of public blockchain infrastructure. But before we dive in, let's start with the basics. What is DePIN? DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, refers to decentralized apps that employ token incentives, a form of digital reward, to incentivize people to provide services via real-world physical infrastructure such as machines or devices. Famous examples include HiveMapper, Helium, and Demo. Unlike typical company models, which demand significant upfront money and are often top-down, DePIN takes a bottom-up grassroots approach. This means it allows organizations to develop gradually, starting from the community level and growing organically. If you want to look at the DePIN landscape, it can be divided into several key areas. Servers, which handle data storage and processing, sensors, which collect real-world data, wireless, which enables communications between devices, and manufacturing, which produces the physical infrastructure. As you can see, hundreds of projects are in the DePIN landscape. DePIN is not just a concept, it's a real-world application of public blockchain infrastructure that solves real-world problems. This is the kind of innovation that inspires hope for a better future. Not only that, but they solve the problem by ensuring that the end users become part of the process and are incentivized for their time and effort. Let's explore these 6 DePIN projects together and see how they can shape our future. Andrena wants to replace internet service providers through the power of community. The core principle is simple. Community members own the means for delivering internet to each other and profit from that delivery. The community, which could be an apartment complex or an office building, shares in the cost and effort of being their own ISP together. They also share in the profit of that communal utility. At the end user, or rather as the end user, instead of paying ISPs, you pay your neighbor to offer you internet access. Money stays in the community and the internet is much cheaper. This is especially attractive in markets with the highest internet rates, including countries like the US, Canada, and Saudi Arabia. Andrena aims to create a community-driven alternative to ISPs and bring wholesale internet prices directly to the end users. Users own wireless hardware to deliver internet to each other, and the service is backed by a blockchain-based sharing economy. If you are in the US and interested in a cheaper alternative, check out Andrena. Geodnet is a DePIN project on the IOTEX blockchain that aims to provide far more accurate global position data than today's standard GPS systems. The main idea is that the current commercial GPS data is accurate within a 2 to 3 meter radius, which is unacceptable for many use cases in agriculture, mining, defense, etc. Geodnet's RTK network is a critical component of the project. RTK stands for real-time kinematic, a satellite navigation technique used to enhance the precision of position data. Geodnet's RTK network can provide accurate data within 1 to 2 centimeters, making it perfect for use cases that require high accuracy in mining in these areas. Since Geodnet is a public DePIN project run by a community, anyone can join this RTK network by installing and operating a satellite miner. Their console application shows that Geodnet already has over 5,000 miners worldwide. Since it is a DePIN project, it has to have a flywheel to keep all the stakeholders incentivized to stay connected to the network. In this context, a flywheel is a mechanism that ensures the continuous operation and growth of the project by providing ongoing incentives to participants. Frodobots is a fascinating DePIN project that lets users remotely control a sidewalk robot. The idea is to create a data set that helps with last mile deliveries of goods and services, a crucial aspect of many industries. This project's unique drive to earn incentive mechanism makes it unique, which keeps the Frodobot owner and driver honest on the network. Have you noticed the recent developments in robotics? Several big companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, Future, Huawei, and others have worked on humanoid robots for several years. They are nearly ready for commercial applications, which many people thought would take several years to become a reality. Frodobots intends to capture hundreds of billions of miles worth of data using its remote control bots to create this data set, which will eventually be used to train a Tesla or BYD type AI model for fully autonomous delivery robots of the future. Robotics feels the best cost-effective way to obtain this data is to have humans control the robots. The creators of Robotics were inspired by Helium, the DePIN wireless service project on Solana, to create their own drive to earn incentive mechanism for their network, their flywheel. This mechanism keeps the Frodobot owner and driver honest on the network. If you thought the Solana Saga phone was an anomaly, a one-of-a-kind crypto-centered phone that we would never see, think again. Let me introduce you to APhone. APhone is a decentralized cloud-based software smartphone that uses another DePIN project called Aether to provide decentralized cloud access. It has several exciting features. APhone has a unique Web3 app store. It runs on decentralized cloud technology, which is different from cloud storage, if you're wondering. Claims to provide unmatched performance compared to other phones, and it comes with a GPU. What makes it a unique and exciting project is its architecture, which is entirely different from other phones. In fact, it is a software that works as a phone. All mobile phones run either Apple's iOS or Google's Android, which are centralized systems controlled by Apple and Google. The APhone will not have such an operating system installed on it. Instead, it will have a pre-configured virtual machine running a mobile operating system that communicates with Aether's cloud infrastructure network. I need help understanding the details of the project since it's pretty technical. Still, I can get the feel for the concept, and it would be it would be exciting to see how it turns out. I think I will do a separate video on APhone and how it works with Aether in the future. When we talk about pollution, people usually focus on the quality of air, pollutants released by the vehicles, and power generation. But how often do people talk about noise pollution, a significant and frequently overlooked issue? Silencio is a global network of devices that measures noise pollution levels, aiming to raise awareness and promote solutions to this problem. Unlike other DePIN projects we have seen before, Silencio does not have a physical hardware device that users need to purchase and operate. It is just an app that you can install on your phone. But is noise pollution even a problem? In their light paper, they quoted a few data points. For example, according to the WEF, by 2030, 68% of the population will be living in large cities, which will lead to a rise in air and noise pollution in these cities. The European Environment Agency says that air and noise pollution are most harmful for public health, and the EU already aims to reduce environmental noise by 30% by 2030. This was all news to me because we don't talk about noise pollution enough. Silencio has picked up a problem that needs awareness in the general public too. It is a simple app that you can download from the App Store. Once you are in, you can start recording the noise levels of your surrounding areas and get paid in their native noise token. The wonderful part about the app is that you have two options. When you check in, which you can use inside a location like a cafe or a restaurant, and open measurement, which you can use while simply walking around. Their map shows millions of people using the app to map noise pollution levels worldwide. The last project I want to talk about is the Streamr Network. Streamr Network is a decentralized network capable of handling real-time data at scale. Imagine a constant stream of data from thousands of applications available as an application developer. All you need to do is connect to this stream and get access to it. Streamr is a massive network of data streams that data publishers and their subscribers are incentivized to use. Publishers get another source of income for their data, and subscribers get an easy-to-use hook onto this live data stream for their applications. As you can imagine, all kinds of real-time data can be made available on Streamr. For example, you can get weather information from another well-known DePIN project called Demo, market data directly from Binance, or even the position of the International Space Station. The possibilities are endless here. Imagine a world powered by AI tomorrow. All AI-powered apps and machines could link to each other over Streamr and share their data in real time, ensuring that the end users get uninterrupted service. All right, so these were 6 projects that caught my eye. I'm sure there are many more amazing gems in the DePIN sector. I will undoubtedly be on the lookout for more such projects and share them with you in the future. So check out these projects and try them. Thank you for watching and do like and share. I will see you next time with another fresh bite. Bye-bye.